In this session, I'd like to talk to you about how to search for room availability. From the dashboard view at the top right, you will see the More button. If you click that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Availability. In Availability view, make sure that all site spaces is selected. This will enable you to see only site rooms. Over here to the left, you get to see all the rooms you can reserve. And here at the top, you get to see the different time slots. Also at the top, you get to see a back and forward arrow that allows you to go back and forward one day. Now, if you click the date itself, the calendar will appear, and that will allow you to look farther ahead. So for my example, I'll just look at October 8th. And the last thing at the top I want to talk to you about is the 3 different modes in which you can view availability. So I'll start with separated. In separated view, the events appear this way. From this view, you're not able to reserve a room by just clicking a time slot, and I'll show you right now. So the 10:30 time slot for BOS 750, I'll go ahead and click it, and I get this prompt telling me that I'm unable to start an event reservation in this view. So I'll go ahead and I'll click OK. The next view I want to show you is overlapping. In overlapping view, the events appear this way. Now in this view, I am able to start an event reservation by just clicking an open time slot. So for example, in NHTSA 417 at 8:30, I will click this, and the event wizard will open up. So as you can see here, NHTSA 417 is selected as my room, and the time is 8:30 to 9. Obviously, I can change these both when I go to the pages, but I just wanted to point that out to you. So if I go ahead and hit back, now the last view I want to show you is edit mode. So in edit mode, you're allowed to use the drag and drop to move your event reservation to another room in time, and I'll show you that now. So test event, this event here is mine. Now I'm only allowed to use drag and drop for my events if I'm listed as a scheduler or requester. So if I wanted to move it to BOS 750 for 6 o'clock, it'll allow me to do so. If I want to extend the time, I can do that as well. Now, the last thing I want to speak to you about is the actual rooms themselves. So if you want to take a look at what the room looks like before you book it, all you need to do is over here to your left, find a room you want to take a peek at. So I'll look at NHTSA 501. If I click it, I'm able to get information regarding what the room looks like, the AV features in the room, and the max capacity of the room. And if I click this down arrow next to more actions, I can even add this room as a favorite. I can create an event reservation along with other options. So if I go back, that takes me back to where I started. All right, that wraps it up.